Ah! Go fuck yourself and your family and your dog.
Come on.
Oh my God!
Come on.
Are you joking? What the hell? What the heck? I'm planning on it. What?
This year's World's Best Taxidermy and Fish Whittling Tournament is right around the corner. And it's looking to be our biggest and fiercest show ever. Register early for our bone-cutting discounts. Or take your chance in hunting for admission at the door.
I got a double shift ahead of me. I need an energy boost. Hit me.
The new smart TV by Home.
In the club, and I know they know about each other. I think these trying to set me up. Maybe I'm just paranoid. I got a bad light skin from the valley. She be in the club with no panties. Little bit used to be my favorite, but now we don't speak the same language. I love my mouth, I can bang it, but my dark skin know how to take it. I got them both the same damn red bottoms, and bought them both the same damn fragrance. Both of my drive Range Rovers. None of my mouth can stay over. Both of my look good. Yo, look like a booger wolf. Seen two of my in the club, and I know they know about each other. I think these trying to set me up. Maybe I'm just paranoid. Yeah, I'm paranoid, I'm tripping. I've been smoking and sipping. I'm around with two, but I never made them my missus.
Women talk, women talk. She run her mouth so much she can't hear her own thoughts. Told my old hoe, she my new. Told my new, she my old hoe. She used to be yo, dead. Hold up, flatline. I sleep, nap time. I put my name on it, if that's mine. Pussy so wet, she thought it got baptized. Asking where I'm at, that's a setup. You ain't talking about nothing, shut up. If you got a side chick, what up? Both my girls in the club, bout to up. Stalking on my network. Got her looking so hard that her neck hurt. And I ain't tripping, I got room for them both. This is Ham Squad, I just doubled up my net worth.
Two of my in the club, and I know they know about each other. I think these trying to set me up. Maybe I'm just paranoid. Yeah, I'm paranoid, I'm tripping. I've been smoking and sipping. I'm fucking around with two